voice over Internet protocol services, and picking the best provider. With all the newfangled terminologies that are popping up these days, people can certainly end up getting confused. It's especially true when we're talking about Internet language. You have to keep abreast of these new terms and fads, otherwise you'll be left out. It wouldn't do you any good if you're groping in the dark for these Internet terms. After all, you need to maximize the use of your online resources to increase productivity. This applies whether you're engaged in business or using the Internet for your studies. It even applies when you're just surfing for random information. It pays to be more aware of Internet language. Let's take the case of VoIP or Voice over Internet Protocol. Some may easily recognize this term, but others are totally oblivious to it. In its simplest meaning, this would refer to the technology for routing voice calls over the Internet or a computer network. You will need a specific software program or hardware-based VoIP phone to place your calls. This technological development has increased efficiency of communication to amazing levels. Plus, with the advent of broadband services, things have become even more affordable. Call center businesses find this as a great boon to their operations. That's why they're always seeking out the best services these days. A lot of households are also looking into investing in this type of service. It can be really convenient, especially if you want to do home-based jobs. Lots of call centers have home agents so long as the latter have the right setup in their homes. One of the main requirements is to have a VoIP-ready internet connection. If you're also interested in this, then there are a few essential things to consider. The first of these is to look for a provider with a stable and fast connection to support this service. There are providers nowadays that advertise for VoIP-ready connections. Second, decide exactly on what type of features you need. There are those offering bundled services wherein you get internet, television, and telephone all in one. See if you need services such as call waiting, call forwarding, caller ID, and other similar features. If you're looking to utilize the setup for future home-based jobs, you will most likely need these services. Third, be sure to go over the terms and conditions of the contract, particularly the money-back guarantee and equipment return policies. Also be wary of hidden fees and charges. Lastly, look into number portability for the provider that you're considering to transact with.